So you're going to or have submitted a quote with Grifform. Stick around, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what to expect next. Hi, I'm David. First off, I want to thank you so much for choosing to work with Grifform Innovations. In this video, we're going to look over what to expect after having submitted a quote request with us. After having completed a quote request with us, a copy of your request and your selected details will be generated into a PDF format that will overview all of your details that you have selected. Grifform standard quote turnaround time is around 2 business days. During this time, keep an eye out for a quote coming in through the email that you have provided us. After we have contacted you with your quote, if you choose to move forward, this is when you can then make payment arrangements. Next, we will design approval drawings and send them to you that will outline your exact product specifications. These approval drawings will need to be reviewed and signed off by you before your project is placed into our assembly queue. This will ensure that your project is being built to your exact specifications. After finalized approval drawings have been signed off, your project will then begin to be processed into our assembly. Depending on our lead time, project complexity, and other factors, your project may take more or less time to process and ship. To keep up to date on your project status, don't hesitate contacting us. I hope this video helped answer some of your questions. I'm David, and once again, thank you so much for choosing to work with Grifform Innovations.